Hazmat crews called to the Science and Education Building at Boise State. The building had to be shut down for several hours this evening after two chemicals were inadvertently mixed, causing an explosion and a chemical spill. Lacey Darrow has the story.
Right here.
It was a hectic situation at Boise State this evening after Boise Fire says two chemicals, nitric acid and isopropyl alcohol, got inadvertently mixed together, causing an explosion.
These chemicals were combined in a bottle. The bottle was capped. They continued to react, pressure was generated, and the bottle exploded.
Before you know it, we're evacuating.
James Bradberry says he was sitting in a lab down the hall when he heard a loud pop, and then students began running into the room and getting into the chemical spill shower.
I'd say within, maybe like the next 20, 30 seconds, you could smell it, and it's like, I know that smell. You know, kind of like if you had to say old gym sock with a heavy dose of vinegar.
Depending on the size of the spill and the exposure level, they may need to derobe the person. In this case, I think they just kept them in the shower for the 15 minutes that they needed to be in the shower.
The students were doing an experiment and disposing of the chemicals when they were mixed. There was a chemical spill hood in place, but two students were in front of the hood and got splashed with the chemicals. Several other students and teaching assistants were also exposed during the incident.
As far as it looked like, everyone's still walking, everyone was still together upstairs.
While the students were in the chemical spill shower, 911 was called and the building was evacuated. While it was a very scary situation for those involved, officials say it's actually very common to have something like this happen at a university, and everyone reacted exactly how they were supposed to in this situation.
I think we couldn't have asked more of our students and teaching assistants. They did, for this type of situation and having students exposed, the teaching assistants and the stockroom staff responded just as they should have.
Things happen in the chemistry lab.
Lacey Darrow, 6 on your side.
University officials say some students might incur some minor burns, but because they reacted so quickly and did everything that they were supposed to, they're likely going to be just fine.